Hi everyone, in this video, we'll cover an effective and easy-to-use trading strategy. We'll demonstrate it using the 15-minute scalping method, but it works on almost any time frame, making it suitable for scalping, day trading, or swing trading. Stay tuned until the end, and don't forget to like and subscribe. The working mechanism of this trading strategy shares similarities with the support, resistance, and price action methods. To use this scalping trading strategy, you can enter TradingView, then go to the Indicator Search tab. In the Indicator Search tab, type Gaussian Channel, then simply select Gaussian Channel from Donovan Wall. Now go to the Indicator Settings tab. In the Input tab, change the poles number to 5. After that, change the sampling period number to 100. Then also change the filtered true range multiplier number to 1. Once done, click OK to confirm the changes. The scalping strategy we will discuss in this video will have similarities with the support, resistance, and price action methods, where if the price candlestick is above the Gaussian channel will act as support, while if the price candlestick is below the Gaussian channel will become resistance. Moreover, this Gaussian channel indicator will be used as a trend guide in the market. If the Gaussian channel is green, it indicates a bullish trend. In this position, you will wait until the price candlestick retraces to the Gaussian channel area before placing a buy order. And if the Gaussian channel is red, it indicates a bearish trend. In this position, you will wait until the price candlestick retraces to the Gaussian channel area before placing a sell order. Now let's add the second indicator that will be used as a guide to place orders in the market. Go to the Indicator Search tab and type CCI or Commodity Channel Index. Then simply select the default Commodity Channel Index from TradingView. After that, go to the CCI or Commodity Channel Index indicator settings. In the Input tab, change the length of the CCI indicator to 32, then change the source to close. After that, go to the Style tab. In the Style tab, remove the check marks on the smoothing line, upper band, lower band, and indicator background. Then change the color of the CCI and middle band according to your preference. If you want to follow my settings, change the color of the CCI to yellow, and then change the middle band color to white. Once done, click OK to confirm the changes. The CCI or Commodity Channel Index indicator will be used as a guide to place orders in the market. If the CCI line crosses the zero level upwards, it is a signal to buy, while if the CCI line crosses the zero level downwards, it is a signal to sell. Now let's discuss how to place orders in the market using this trading strategy. Here's how to place a buy order. If the Gaussian channel indicator is green, it indicates a bullish trend. In this position, your focus will be on finding the best point to place a buy order. Wait for the price candlestick to retest the Gaussian channel area. Once the price candlestick has retested the Gaussian channel area, wait for the CCI signal line to cross the zero level upwards. If the CCI signal line has crossed the zero level upwards, make sure the candlestick formed is bullish or green. If all conditions are met, you can place a buy order after the green candlestick is closed. Place the stop loss at the lowest point of the Gaussian channel line. Target take profit using a risk and reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Here's how to place a sell order. If the Gaussian channel indicator is red, it indicates a bearish trend. In this position, your focus will be on finding the best point to place a sell order. Wait for the price candlestick to retest the Gaussian channel area. Once the price candlestick has retested the Gaussian channel area, wait for the CCI signal line to cross the zero level downwards. If the CCI signal line has crossed the zero level downwards, make sure the candlestick formed is bearish or red. If all conditions are met, you can place a sell order After the red candlestick has closed, place the stop loss at the highest point of the Gaussian channel line. Target take profit using a risk and reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. No strategy can guarantee a 100% win rate. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you've gained new knowledge today. That concludes our discussion for now, and see you in the next video.